Welcome, Rima, to the Indian Sun. So lovely
My
to see
pleasure.
you in Melbourne.
Thank
How
you.
does it feel to return to this vibrant city for the fourth time?
It's amazing. It's like coming home because we really, celebrate films and lot of get together. And so I always love to come back.
Can you tell us a bit about your role in My Melbourne? Can you tell us about that project?
Uh, My
My
Melbourne.
Melbourne.
Yes, so I have done one of the film is called Emma, and it was truly wonderful experience, unforgettable you can say. It's special film for us because we walked on. It's disability. We are talking about disability. So it's my first time experience also working with authentic cast. That's how this film is important, and I found a sense of purpose, and I just want to say that sometimes we are uncomfortable, to step to do new things. But when we we were making this film, then I realized that I mean, how blessed, how honored to work with this very talented individuals. And it's not that we are doing favor to them, but they are special and they are efficient. So in inclusivity, it is not just a buzzword; it is necessity. And they need. It's not that they need our sympathy, but they need empathy, respect, and also equal opportunity. And I'm sure that it will spark conversation and bring positivity.
What are some of the things that you learned working on a Melbourne project?
I learned a lot. I evolved also as a filmmaker, as a person, and also this is the first film I was working outside India. So working with Australian cast and crew, and I fear also how would it go, but it was wonderful. We emotionally connected, and human being also, I think it's universal, our emotions, so we really connected. And quite a diverse team, and it's always it was a beautiful challenge for me.
The other question I had was, Rockstar gained international acclaim and became the first Assamese film to submitted for the Oscars. How did your upbringing in Kalardia influence its narrative, and what does this recognition mean to you?
What does
This recognition mean to you?
uh, being coming from that village, Kaladia, from Assam, it brought a lot of to the film because I directly, practically, I'm there. Sometimes you are imagining things, but I lived that life, so that really helped me. And lot of influences, good influences, and I lived Dunu's life, and also my recognition, it just changed my life, not only my life, our life, and the perspective. It gave me courage and confidence because I'm not coming from a school. There are a lot of doubts in mind. How would it go? So it was a kind of a conviction and validation, you can say. And now I get access to a lot of people from film fraternity. So my life is easier. So a lot of good things.
You're known for taking on multiple roles in filmmaking, from writing and directing to editing and costume design. What challenges did you encounter as a one-woman crew, and how did you navigate them?
Initially, I didn't have choice. I came to Mumbai to become an actor. So my father, he's no more. I lost him like 3 years ago. So he was a teacher, and my mother also. She that time she worked in our bookstore and printing press. So I'm coming from that academic background. What was the question?
How did you navigate those roles, as a one-woman crew doing everything?
Yes. So when I came to become an actor, so I'm coming from a place where films are just to be watched, not to be made. I never ever imagined in my life to make movies, but from my childhood, I was always interested in acting. So that's how, in my school, in my college, my even teachers, my friends, they always used to tell me I should pursue. I'm in career in acting, so that's how I landed in Mumbai. But somehow I felt limited. But when I started watching world cinema, then I realized probably I could tell stories. So I didn't have courage to find producers. I didn't have confidence. So I just started, I bought a camera and started my own. So it gave me, there were a lot of challenges, but also it gave me freedom. I think that helped me a lot, finding my true voice. And also there were a lot of many challenges, but I think I enjoyed my freedom.
And any future projects that you want to shed light on?
Sorry?
Any future projects?
Future project, Village Rockstars 2 coming very, very soon.